gauged beading wire, some metal embellishments, gel polish. I'll be using Bio-Seaweed Gel Snow White for the center of the petals, and any gel polish that you want for your base coat. I wanted to do something a little fall, so I went with maroon from Bio-Seaweed Gel, and I'll be top coating with Gel 2 4D top coat. So what I'm going to show you guys is how to make these petals here. Okay, so like I said, all you're going to need is a really fine gauged beading wire, some jewelry pliers, and all you're going to do is you're going to take your pliers, and you're not going to bend. Well, you can bend here at the front of the wire, and if you bend there, you'll just get a circular petal shape. So if you want a round petal shape, that's all you're going to do. All you're going to do is clip a little past so that you have a little tail, and you'll see why later. But the petals that I'm going to be using today is a teardrop. So for the teardrop, all you want to do is go a little, how far past the edge, the free edge of the wire that you go is what determines the size of your petal. So I'm going to be using a medium-sized teardrop petal, so I only want to go just slightly past the edge, the free edge of the wire. So what you're going to do is bend, and connect. And then, of course, like I said, you're going to leave a little tail. Okay, I've already done some here. And so I use the back of a freeform to stick the petals to. And I use a dotting tool. I pick up my gel, place it in the center, kind of spread it around. You're going to do that for all three. This one's a little big. And make sure they're flat on the back of the freeform. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to cure. Okay, since that's cured, all we're going to do is pull those off. Now we're going to clip off those tails because we don't need those. Clip off the tail. And all we're left with is a petal. Clip off the tail. I'm going to pick up a little builder gel, and I'm going to place it in the area of the nail that I'm going to apply the petals and the nail art. So apply it there. Bring it down for the stem and also for the leaves. Okay. So I'm going to put my bigger petal in the center here. I'll put my other petal there. My other petal there. Okay, so I'm going to be using some rose gold metal hearts to put just over the tips of the petals. I just want to add a little bit of gel to that. Rearrange placement. So I'm going to go with the first heart. Second heart. Let me bring this a little closer. Okay, so now I'm just going to move them around until they're where I want them to be. Okay, so now that they're where I want them to be, I'm going to add the stem. So for the stem, all I did was I cut some straight wire, some curved wire. I bent the curved wire. We're going to be using those for the leaves, okay? So I'm going to add the straight wire first. So that's going to be my stem. I'm going to add a smaller wire. And then the larger wire. Okay, so now that I've added those, I'm going to add my leaves. You can put your leaves wherever you want to. And I'm going to add my beads just for accent. Okay, so if you want to add a little more embellishments to that, I'm just going to take a couple of those just for accent. Okay, put one there. A little bit more builder gel, because I think I want one there, and I want one there. I'm going to adjust everything to make sure it's where I want it before I cure it. I like to add beads next to my crystals. I feel like it gives it almost like if it's a jewelry setting, you know. All I'm doing is getting the extra bits of builder gel that I have in certain spots and kind of relocating it to an area that I feel I need it the most. Okay, so now we're going to give it a cure. Now that that is cured, we're just going to go over with your top coat. Once you're done applying your top coat, you can cure and you're done. Hope this was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.